Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1995 Toyota RAV4. It has the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder non-interference engine, same as the USA SPEC. It comes with an automatic transmission and 28,814 miles. It is also 4-wheel drive. This vehicle comes with 4 doors along with a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do stow away to create more room back here. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that y'all are seeing right here, 46,415, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 28,814. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. Really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day, and thanks again.